In this video, I'm going to show or display how to use the conduit wizard in Red Rhino Estimating Software to estimate conduit feeders. In this case, I'm going to do an EMT run, a 2-inch EMT run. So after you measure the conduit and get your lengths, you come into the conduit wizard in Red Rhino and input the conduit size and type and conductors. I'll show you what I mean. Now, I'm going to click the drop down here and select EMT. I'm going to click the size drop down and select 2-inch. Okay, now when I do that, it populates a 2-inch down below here. I'm going to set the conduit application at expose plus 10. It has different amounts of labor, varying on the height of the conduit. In other words, with conduit application, the higher the conduit is off the floor, the more labor that it will display. Now, I won't explain that in depth right now, but that's what it does. I'm going to put in, say, 170 feet of conduit, and I'm going to say that there's one run. I click the wire drop down. I'm going to find the 3/0 copper right here, put in 4 3/0 and 1 number 6 ground. Scroll down, find my number 6. You know, before I do that, I'm going to show you that the program has all kinds of different wire in here. At the top, we see 12 stranded and solid. It has thermostat wire. This is all fire alarm cable. If you guys estimate fire alarm, you can input that using use that in the conduit wizard. And then it goes 16, 14, 10, clear up to 750 MCM copper. It has 5 kV cable. Go down here further. It has solid, I should say bare copper solid wire for grounding, and then aluminum down here. Okay, now I digress. I'm going to go up here and select the 3/0. Oops, sorry, scrolling all over the place. The 3/0 copper, then put in 1 for 1 ground. Now, something else that the program does that makes this really fast is you can add a makeup length. In other words, you tell the program how many feet of wire needs to go beyond the end of the conduit to the termination point. In this case, I'm going to say it's 4 feet. Okay, and then I just put in the number of elbows. I'm going to say there's 3 elbows on this run. It defaults the spacing at 8 feet. Next, I'm just going to click the add button to populate it to the page. And after I populate it to the takeoff page here, after I clicked add, it populated, look at this, conduit, couplings, connectors. Conduit supports it. It input 22 supports for that 170-foot run. It input 3 elbows, 712 foot of number 3/0 and 178 feet of number 6 for ground wire. Now, the program has thousands of material items with pricing updated monthly. They have what they call national average pricing. In this instance, it has pricing, I should say, for all of these items, the EMT, couplings, and connectors. Now, just reading across, I want to explain that Red Rhino has a material, or I should say it has both a material catalog and a labor catalog. So when you go input something like 2-inch EMT, it goes to the labor catalog and pulls in the labor in hours for each item. And that's where we see this, the labor hours column shows how many hours to install them with each unit of measure. I won't explain that right now, but long story short, it shows to install 170 foot of 2-inch EMT, it shows 12.33 hours, and so on for each item. Okay, so again, the conduit wizard is something that really speeds up the estimating process. That by itself, if we didn't have any other tools in Red Rhino, this one really speeds up the process. Okay, there's a lot of other tools, but this is one that just makes it fast to estimate conduit. That's all for this video.